Hi everyone, my name is Jacques. I just wanted to do a quick video tutorial on how to basically repair your DJI battery when the battery management has basically disabled the battery. DJI has got a function built into their battery management where if you don't charge or use the battery, it basically shuts it down after a while. I bought this DJI Spark a couple of years ago. It came with 3 batteries and basically all 3 batteries went dead at the same time. It does this, you can see here, it does the whole 2 lights, which does 2 lights in a sequence of 4 times, and then it gives a break and then starts over. That is a clear indication that your battery management has kicked in and disabled your battery. But no fear, there is a repair for it. I found it on the internet, and I'm just doing this video because I don't know, the ones that I watched are not as clear as to what you need to do. So yeah, hopefully mine is a bit more clear and concise. Okay, so what you will be requiring is obviously a laptop, a power supply. Now that power supply that I've got here is actually a CCTV power supply. It's just easily obtainable for me as I work in the CCTV industry. But you need a power supply that can be adjustable basically. A 12 volt power supply is too much. It's too much voltage for the battery. It will completely, well, it will just complain about overcharging. This power supply has got a adjustable pot on it. I could turn it down to about 9 volts, which is perfect for this operation. The main ingredient in this whole exercise is this little circuit board. It is a CP2112. See if I can get it to focus. Here we go. So it's a CP2112 circuit board. I bought this one on eBay, I think. I paid $5 for it, if I'm not mistaken. This is just to interface between your PC and the battery. And then obviously you will need batteries that are dead. And yeah, I made up my own little leads as well, just to connect the battery to the circuit board. Okay guys, so as mentioned before, what we're going to need is a power supply. This is a CCTV power supply. I've adjusted the voltage down a bit on it. It's around about between 9 and 10 volts, and I've got a positive and negative lead connected to it. And then we're going to need a micro USB to USB cable, and of course your battery, as well as a laptop with software on it. I will leave a link down in the description for the software. So I'm just going to pop this cable into the laptop, and now we need to pin the battery. So from left to right, I'll pop a diagram for the Spark battery on screen now. So from left to right, we connect clock is your pin 1, data is pin 6, it's the last pin. Now the ground that comes from the CP2112 goes onto pin 5. Right, now we supply the BMS. We need to supply with a voltage in order to operate. So pin 2 is a ground as well, so we're going to connect the negative to this ground connector for the BMS. And then pin 3 and 4 are both positive, but we're going to be using pin 3. So we put that in there. So we just flip this battery up so we can see the LEDs on it. And at this point we can connect the CP2112 to the PC. Just get this the right orientation. There we go. And we can switch the power supply on. See, the battery gives an error code. Okay, I'm going to start the screen recording and then attempt the battery repair. So the software package that we are downloading It's called DJI Battery Repair or Battery Killer. When you download it, it's a zip file. I've unzipped this one. It gives you a Mac OS and obviously a Windows option. We're going to be using the Windows option. So yeah, under here you'll see there's two application files. We're going to be using this one, the one without the dot in front. Right click, run as administrator. The battery repair tool will open. If you click on help, it gives you the pinouts for the Mavic 2, Mavic Air 1, Mavic Air 2, Mavic 2 Mini and Mavic 1 Mini, if that is what you need for your specific battery. Once you're in this program and you click connect and you get this message, device successfully opened, device successfully configured, means that the computer is communicating with the CP2112. From here on in, we can click read info. So it reads all the info off the battery. You can see at the bottom is where the battery's current state of charge is at, 2700 millivolts and above for the 3 cells. Now in order to in order to fix this battery, we need to unseal it, unseal it again, unseal 2, and then use clear PF2. And you see it writes some new data to it and it says clear PF2 successful. You can say reset chip and then we read the info. Now you see the battery is charging. It's gone over to charging normally, and this is what it should do. As soon as you're here, you can basically disconnect everything. So we can say reset. On this program, resets means disconnect. So it disconnects from the CP2112 and we can exit. Now we can switch the power supply off. It'll stop charging. Disconnect all these pins. Pop the battery back into the drone. Still flashing there. We grab this. Well, there we go. It's actually booted up. So let me just switch this battery off. Sorry, I just plug the drone in on a normal charging block. And it should start charging. Voila. Quick and easy way to fix your DJI batteries. I've actually done the other two that I got, or that I received when I bought this drone initially. Initial flight time on them was always about 20 minutes with the type of flying I do. It's still 20 minutes. So I have no idea why DJI built this feature into the battery management system. It's ludicrous, but here we are. So yeah, there we go. 3 drone batteries fixed and saved myself in the region of about 6,000 Rand, South African Rand, which is 2/3 of what I paid for the drone. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and yeah, bye bye.